Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you another high potential testnet airdrop called Morph. Morph is a Web3 payment infrastructure enabling real-world payments, rewards, and savings for the digital economy's consumer finance layer. You will find more information about their project on their website. As you can see, they have raised $25 million in funding and have status as a potential airdrop. If you look at their investors, you will find lots of tier 1, 2, and 3 investors backing them. If you visit their X profile, as you can see, they have a huge 82K followers. If you scroll down, you will notice they are really active here to build a strong community, which is another positive sign. Before joining the airdrop, if you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description where you can find all the links. First, visit this site and connect your wallet. I recommend using MetaMask. Then connect and confirm. So your wallet will be connected. Here you will find lots of tasks you need to complete to boost points. I'll show you a few easy to complete tasks if you don't want to invest. First, you can claim daily check-in points, so don't forget to claim daily. As you can see, 10 XP is added in my balance. Next, click on edit profile, then set any username you want. Click save changes. And this task is also complete. Next, check out this event and you can claim 100 XP more. Then scroll down and here you will find some easy X tasks as well, so make sure to complete them all. First, connect your X account, then authorize the app, and it's done. Next, follow their X profile, so follow and then go back to claim. Similarly, you can complete all tasks by liking, retweeting, etc. You can also do some paid tasks if you want. If you click on swap, it will redirect to this website. Here you can connect your wallet and then swap. You can complete this task, which gives you 300 XP. Click on bridge. Then on this website, you need to connect your MetaMask wallet and swap 0.001 Ethereum. After completing the bridge task, your invite code will unlock and you can share it with friends to boost earnings. That's it for this video. I'll give you all the updates, so make sure to join our Telegram channel. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.